broke, what do you tell your date to mask your embarrassment? Because you were there, you convinced them to get into your vehicle. But there's a weird noise in the car. What do you tell them? Do you tell them, it's just the car warming up, baby, don't mind. If she knows nothing about cars, like me, do you tell her, that's just how these cars are built, it's normal? Do you tell her, see, let's just turn up 88.2 Sunny FM and ignore the noise? That's the right answer. Or do you say, D, we'll fix it next month? Or none of the above, and you come up here with your best excuse to tell your person. That's what we want to know. Thank you. As you should, for the man. Wow.
Okay, you guys, me, I know my car. You know that thing where you have you know your car. So you know, if the gauge is here, this is going to take me 3 days. So me, I know there is no way my car does not have a sound. It always has a sound. So in order to prevent people from embarrassing me, the volume is always set to like 90. So when you enter the car and you turn to Samuel FM, from morning to evening, the volume is too loud for you to hear the outside the car. So when you pick up your date in the evening, you first Kenny Domo, enter the parking, she enters the car, and then you're in the evening drive show. She cannot hear the because I know my car. You reach me to the date, you drop her home. When you drop her home, you wait for her to enter the gate and she goes before you start moving again. When the starts again.
Very good. That's a very interesting question. And tell us how they're going to mask the embarrassment.
Here, I know it's in my car. I just say it is what it is. Here for a good time, not a long time. Let's turn up the volume and regardless you move.
Alright, regardless we move.
The thing with embarrassment is you need to acknowledge it. If you pretend that it's not happening, then you dig yourself deeper. So this is how we do it. First, what is that sound? Like, are you hearing how my new sound system is making us hear parts of the song that we have not been hearing before?